Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create a group on Signal. Now then, first of all, open the Signal application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. Now here you need to tap on the pen icon at the side of your screen. Tap on it. Tap on new group. Now here you need to choose the contact with whom you want to create a group. I'm going to choose this particular one. Tap on next. You need to provide a group name. I'm just gonna type in chats. Then tap on create. Invitation sent. The invitation for that person has been sent to be invited in the group. Now once they accept the invitation, your group will be created in Signal. You tap on OK. Share a link with friends to let them quickly join this group. You can tap on approve new members, where the members that you have added can add another number for the group. You can just tap on enable and share. With that, you have created a group on Signal. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how you can create a group on Signal. Please like and subscribe the Login channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.